Today I'm going to show you how I do my hairstyle coming up right now. Don't move. If you like how my hair looks and you want to know how I do it, just stick around and I'm going to show you how to do it and look sexy like me. Sexy like me. Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Daniel Tai, and on this channel we do men's lifestyle videos. So that's fitness, fashion, finance and flirting. If you want more of what we do here, I want you to like the damn video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what would you like to see next. So in this video I'm going to show you my hairstyle and like the process of how I do my hair every day, and as you can see it's not too terrible. So if you like how it looks, I'll show you how it's done. So here we go. So my hair is all like not done and it's super messy. So to get started styling your hair, what you do need is, or what I do use anyways, is a pre-styler, post-styler, and a brush, and you're gonna need a hairdryer as well. So you need these 4 things here. So to start off, what you need to do is you need to wet your hair, and you can do this a number of ways. You can style your hair after you shower, or what I normally do is I'll go wet my hands and run it through my hair. So I'll go do that right now. So my hands are wet, and what you want to do is just rub the water into your hair and into your roots like this. And if you shower, you just want to towel your hair dry, like towel dry your hair. And voila, you got some wet hair there. So now what you need to do is you need to get your pre-styler. So I'm using Original by Blue Man. This is a very nice pre-styler. Helps to set your hair a lot better, and just using a pre-styler will just help you keep your shape and the volume in your hair. So all you need is a bit like this. Then you just rub it in your hands and just emulsify it. Rub it together like this, like that, and just rub it through your hair. Want to get it into your roots. So after you've done that, what you want to do next is you want to get your hair dryer and set it to high heat, and what you want to do is set it to maybe like the highest setting of power, and use your comb to just work the product into your hair like this. And so you just do that with the hair dryer. And a pro tip, what you do with the hairbrush is that you just curl it like this, and then use a hairdryer to just blow on it. So just like this, and then you blow in like that. Okay, so I'll just show you how to do that. You also want to do the back of your head as well. So what you normally do is you set this on high heat as well, and then start combing the back of your head like this. So I'll just do that. And just continue voluminizing your hair with the hairdryer. So the last part of using the hairdryer is you want to dry like the middle of your head. So what you want to do is put it on high heat again and just blast the middle of your head. So like this. sorry, I lied. You're gonna need the hairdryer again. So now you want to put it on the coolest setting that you have, and just continue curling your hair, and that helps to set your hair in place and just to set those curves. So just what I usually do, most hair dryers have this button here, and that's the cool button. So just do that. You really want to get the hair dryer close to your hair so that it can just blow all the air in, and it will make the process a lot easier. So now that you've got your hair kind of curled there and like preset, what you want to do is grab your post styler. So what I'm using here is the Heavy Clay by Bluman. This is a very strong clay, and for people with soft hair like me, like soft and fine hair, it really helps to have a strong clay. Also, if you want me to do a comparison video of like home brands like Woolies, Coles, or like what's it called, Gatsby, if you want me to do a comparison of how they do in my hair, just leave a like down in this video, and if it gets like 50 likes, I'll do it. So you only need a little bit of the clay, so you just maybe need like that much, not even that much, okay? And you just put it on your hand like this and emulsify, so you can evenly distribute in your hair. Get a nice workout in there as well. So I've just rubbed it in my hands, and you just put it in your hair. Yes, and you want to really get it in your roots this time. Like, well, you didn't do it before, but like, you really want to get it in your roots, so the product can do its magic. Get some on the back as well, so and now that's in, you can just style it the way you want. So I'm going for a more everyday look, so more casual look. I'll just make some parts of my hair like this. And bam! You're looking sexy, boy. See the difference between these two? On the left we have the sad and depressed hairstyle, but like on the right, look how much vibrant and more awesome. So if you want to look sexy, you know what to do. And that's to like the damn video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what would you like to see next. So do that and you'll be sexy too. So guys, if you like what we do here, I want you to like the damn video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what would you like to see next. And also guys, the more likes on this video, the more likely I'm going to do the comparison video of the Woolies, Coles, and like Gatsby products. So smash that like button. As always, stay sexy.